Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. I want to give you a recap of what I've been working on. We purchased this condo in 2019, and at the time I was like, "Oh, these stairs need work." And as time progressed, with 4 people running up and down the stairs several times a day, I was like, "Yeah, these stairs need Jesus for sure." I quit my job and was off for 3 weeks before I started a new job, and I was like, okay, I know I need to get my mental space all the way together, so I need to keep myself busy. So I decided to work on the stairs. It was a lot of work, but I definitely do not regret it. If you haven't seen that video, I will be sure to link it. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button, hype your girl up, hit the like button, and leave a comment. That helps every single small YouTuber that you watch. The plan is to scrape off the big particles, and that's what I'm showing you right here, me scraping those off. So just sit back, relax, enjoy the music, and I will chime in just to let you know what I'm working on periodically. So I had to go over to my parents' house and get the shop vac out of their, their shed. This is what I'm working with over here. Because I was scraping it off, which is working quite fine. You cannot vacuum this up with a regular vacuum because the smell will stay in your vacuum, so I definitely needed to get that handled. But I know this is gonna be more than a one-day project. It's late in the evening, it's about 7:30 or something, maybe a little bit later. And I am going to start this now because I have a million things to do tomorrow and see how much I can get done tonight. I would have started on this a little bit earlier, but I needed a break, okay? I was going nonstop. So my daughter and I went and checked out the new Wayfair that is here in Columbus. I'm sweaty and I really hope you didn't see my bra, and if you did, you've seen a bra before, you're okay. And then after we went to Wayfair, IKEA was right down the street, so we went to IKEA. I specifically went there for these cookies that I could not find. So I was kind of disappointed in that, but I did obtain a broom from there. Did I really just say obtain? Yes, I did. Okay, so anyway, I got one of those little brooms that you will see me using in this video. Came in handy, but I definitely had to throw it away after I used it. There's so much dust. And let me tell you what I did. I originally started off with Bondo on the stairs, but then I was like, okay, is this Bondo really gonna work? And I was in my head, and if you know anyone who has anxiety, when we be in our head, we're like, okay, let's come up with a resolution to this problem. So I put some dry decks on top of the Bondo, which I probably should not have done, but let me tell you something. These stairs are nice and secure because at the time that I'm editing this, obviously I'm finished with the project, but at any rate, it was so much to just dust, and it would not have been as bad with the Bondo. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I did that, but I'm kind of glad that I did because it all worked out in the end. I ended up going through so many of these sand patties and the sanders, but then I ended up finding one that was the grit where it makes it really, really smooth. I can't remember which grit it is. I'll have to link it below or something. But anyway, I got everything as smooth as I possibly could before I painted over it. The best advice that I could give you when you're working on a project like this is to just make sure you're wearing stuff that you really could care less about, because you may be in a situation where you have to throw some of these clothes that you're wearing away, depending on, the sand, the paint, the whatever. It's just a mess. Day 2. It's about to begin. It's about to go down. I'll show you what I got done last night. I got done 6. I think I did 6 stairs last night, so I have 7 more to go. But yeah, I gotta lock in. It's a lot. The other thing you want to do is, if you don't want to wash your hair, or if it's not wash day or anything like that, definitely protect your scalp. I ended up taking these braids out, washing my hair, and redoing them. It was time anyway, because I like to do it every 2 weeks. I'm also thinking about putting the dreads back in, because I really like the dreads, but I will say people that have dreadlocks are treated differently than people that just have a normal hairstyle. Riddle me that, Batman. And I'm saying this from experience, because the last time I did my hair like that, you should have seen the way that people were looking at me. And I'm the type of person, I could care less what you think of me. It's not my business. And I also could care less what you think if I don't have style or I don't look good. I just don't care about those types of things, because I'm secure in whose I am, because I belong to the Most High. Okay. But yeah, treat people better, because it's very important.
Stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. What goes up must come down. There's lots of friendly faces all around.
You guys, that took hours upon hours upon hours. Everything is sanded down. I am in the process of shop vacuuming everything. Some of these stairs don't even look like anything has been done to them. I will say this stair right here is still a little bit loose, but we gonna have to deal with it, okay? Because I'm not about to get that stuff back out. The Bondo smells terrible. My whole house has been funky for like 3 days. There's really no good angles, and I'm dirty and disgusting and sweaty and filled with dust. Now we about to clean up, y'all. I'm using some Dawn original Blue Dawn dish soap, because I love that stuff. It works so well. And I'm getting everything clean. When I tell you there was dust in places that I can't even talk about on YouTube, okay? It was horrible. Like, I cannot stress that enough. It's so funny, because I would have been finished with this project so much sooner had I had one of those industrial electric drill sander things. Listen, y'all know I be losing my words and losing my train of thought when I be talking, but I didn't have one. Therefore, I should have some muscles in the next month, okay? Some very defined muscles. So I'm gonna have to show y'all that so you could admire that from afar.
What I wanna say is that I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Breaks my heart seeing you struggle with the things you do, carrying the world on your shoulder. When did we become so much older? Now I wish I could say that all my troubles gonna blow away, but I won't quit until it gets better, even if it takes me forever. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together. Hey, we can make it, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. We can make it.
It's right in front of me. A different energy. Try out a different play. Won't let it waste away. I got it, I got it. Feel the adrenaline when I step out on my own. I try to see it like medicine. I feel it in my soul. I can't go, can nothing stop me? No give up, no, I know I won't. It's already in motion. I go full speed ahead. Right on track, 'cause I've seen what happens if I hold me back. Yeah, I go full speed ahead. I'm right on track. I go full speed ahead. I go full speed ahead. I go full speed ahead. I go full speed ahead.
I'm over here editing this video, getting emotional. I have some random thoughts. Random thought number one, I'm so thankful for my Aunt Mary. I used to go to Pennsylvania because that's where my parents are from. Every summer, every break that I had throughout the school year, and my Aunt Mary will wake us up at 6 a.m. on a Saturday like, wake up chipmunks. I used to have to go down to McDonald's and get her a cheese Danish and a black coffee, and we would be washing walls down, okay? I'm telling you, I'm like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 years old. Yes. So now you know why I like to clean. And if you've been here for a while, you already know that story. Random thought number two, this song is called Feel the Adrenaline. And for the last 6 months, I've literally been working off adrenaline. The last 4 months to 3 to 4 months has just been really, really stressful. Some of you reached out to me about weight loss. I've been stressed out. That job was abusive and it sucked the life out of me. And I'm so thankful that God removed me from that place. So I just got a little bit emotional listening to that song and then just editing this video. Stephanie, who's down at the end of the stairs, she's waving it. She waved at y'all. She is one of my daughter's childhood and current best friends. My daughter has a few best friends, but her and her family are such amazing people. I love them so much. They are just good people. If you have good people in your life, definitely hold on to them. And she's such a beautiful young lady, inside and out. I appreciate all of you being here. Yes, there's going to be another part of this video, obviously, and it's going to be me painting the stairs. I'm so excited. They look really good too. So thank you so much for being here, and I hope you have an amazing day.